sightseeing.
आता सर्व मंडळी लंडन पाहण्याकरता हॉटेलातून बाहेर पडली आहेत. पीटर सांगतोय तो सगळ्यांना लंडन दाखवणार आहे. सकाळी प्रथम सगळे बॅकिंगहॅम पॅलेस पाहूया. पोस्ट ऑफिस टॉवर पाहून नंतर सोहोमध्ये लंच घेऊ. संध्याकाळी इटालियन रेस्टॉरंटमध्ये डिनर घेऊ आणि नंतर फेस्टिवल हॉलमध्ये कॉन्सर्टला जाऊ. असा कार्यक्रम आखतो.
I'm Peter Charlton. I'm in the Beardsley Hotel. Today I'm showing the hunts round London. This is my favourite city. I work here and live here too. I know London very well, but Mr. Hunt doesn't know it. He knows the north of England, but he doesn't know the south. The Hunts are from Scotland. My parents live there too, and they know the Hunts very well. I've got plans for today. This morning we're going to Buckingham Palace. Before lunch we're also going to the Post Office Tower. Then we're having lunch in Soho. This afternoon we're walking round Soho. This evening we're having dinner at an Italian restaurant. After dinner we're going to a concert at the Festival Hall. What a busy day.
This morning.
Are you still tired, Jane?
No, I'm not. Where are we going this morning? Where are you taking us?
First we're going to Buckingham Palace.
Sheila's very excited.
Why?
Because she's meeting some friends.
From Geneva?
Yes, they're secretaries at the United Nations. They're staying in Hampstead.
Does she know them well?
Yes, she does. She's having lunch with them. They're showing her round London.
Good. Now, where's your mother?
She's still in her room. She's very slow.
Yes, well, she's a woman. Women are slow. Ah, here she is.
This afternoon.
When are you taking us on the river?
After lunch. I'm taking you to Buckingham Palace before lunch.
Are we going to the post office tower too?
Yes, we're going there before lunch.
Are we walking?
No, we're going on a bus. Now, where's your mother?
She's in the souvenir shop. She's late again. There she is.
I'm late again. I'm sorry.
That's all right. But hurry, we're catching that bus.
Buildings.
Is this Piccadilly Circus?
No, this is Trafalgar Square.
What a high building. Is that the post office tower?
No, it isn't. We can't see it from here. It's between Tottenham Court Road and Regent Street.
What's that?
That's my favourite building. It's the National Gallery.
When do you go there?
During my lunch hour.
Is your office near here?
Yes, it's in the Strand.
Where's that?
It's between Charing Cross and the Aldwych.
Oh, you're lucky.
Yes, I am.
बँकेची आणि पोस्ट ऑफिसच्या कामांची माहिती मिस्टर हंट देतात आहेत.
The bank and the post office.
This afternoon, my wife and I are going to the bank. And then we're going to the post office. The bank closes early. It closes at 3:30 on weekdays, and it's not open on Saturdays or Sundays. Some banks are open until 6 o'clock on Thursdays. The post office is open until 6 o'clock too. On Saturdays, some post offices close at 1 o'clock. They aren't open on Sundays. I'm going to the bank to cash some traveller's cheques. Sarah's still got some Swiss money. She's going to the bank to change it for English money. She isn't cashing her traveller's cheques. Then she's going to the post office to post something to Geneva. I'm going to the post office to buy some stamps. I'm not posting anything. The bank and the post office aren't far from here. Sarah knows the way, and she's got a map. We can't lose our way.
Roads and streets.
रस्त्याचा नकाशा जवळ नाही, पण तरी रस्ता सापडेल.
Where's the map, Sarah? Have you got it?
No, I haven't got it. You've got it.
No, I haven't. Who's got it?
I know. Sheila's still got it. She's using it to go to Hampstead. That's all right. We can't lose our way.
No, we can't. The streets have names and we can ask the way.
We're in Bayswater Road now. We want to go to Park Lane. Or do we want to go to Park Street?
Park Lane.
That's easy.
Yes, Park Lane's east of Hyde Park.
Where's east?
Well, Bayswater Road's north of Hyde Park. East is that way, to the right. We can go to Marble Arch and turn right.
Money. Here's the bank. When does it close?
It closes at 3:30. Some banks don't close until 6 o'clock on Thursdays, but not this bank. Now look for the foreign exchange counter.
These are the paying in counters. Is that the foreign exchange counter?
No, it isn't. That's inquiries. This is the foreign exchange counter. Change your Swiss money first.
I can't change my money.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Why not?
Because I haven't got it. It's in my blue handbag. There's nothing in this handbag.
Oh, Sarah. We can't go back to the hotel again. It's late. But don't worry.
Can I change it tomorrow?
Yes, you can.
आशा आहे या व्हिडिओमधील टॉपिक तुम्हाला समजले असतीलच. अजून पुढील व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा आणि इतर पालकांना आणि विद्यार्थ्यांना शेअर करून पुढील व्हिडिओसाठी आम्हाला प्रोत्साहित करा.